or want to. Why? There are no land space to develop like any like the plain field or good plain surface. However, there was none put in place in the community or communities to neutralize that gap, meaning sports is pivotal to the development of youths and it takes people to poverty. We have evidence of that. And up to today, which is why we're going to use the MP today, give him a second stint and make sure that things like these fall in place. Because Magati High School does not find itself in Northeast St. Elizabeth. However, majority of students that attend the Magati High School comes from Northeast St. Elizabeth, right? And the PNP, Balaclava, Aberdeen, all these schools struggle to host school discipline events. Magati School recently were in the Doncaster Cup. I was in the Doncaster Cup and they had to host their home match at Lacovia High School. Think about that. So there are no sporting complex officially in Northeast St. Elizabeth to enhance talent. Pardon?
If I can remember, I think more than once, so them come at Chester for host certain things too, you know.
Exactly, sister. These are the same PNP that would have been, these are the same era that would have been loyal to PNP, and these are the same era that we take them own eyes and see sports transform the lives of many of them friends and family, and they remain myopic and determined not to require high proper quality representation from them MPs.
This a same girl, the dresser or whatever, we usually got Glamure, so she always cockatoo for a long time.
She do a photo like it is a pageant. Like you think a pageant not
which year just left high school?
You see, she is, you see, let me tell you something. You see, them young PNP, they are no better than the older ones, because I can remember which she put out post on Facebook say how my Henry people are threatening her and how she feels threatened. And there's political intimidation. Hello. When you take a stock, as she that a pose up in a picture with that she in her, right? She was. Are you guys hearing me? I feel like I was having a poor connection.
Yeah, I'm hearing you now. I'm hearing you.
Hello? Okay.
Yes, I'm hearing you.
I said when she was posting up, I spread her lies then, because when she realized that she now win against Mike Henry, she started posting about how political intimidation and how Mike Henry has sent people after her and all that.
Facebook 2020. Facebook right? She posted upon.
Yes, right. And when you look at she that with Danai Williams in a photo and whatever, so he was one of them that was giving strength to her, and everybody know who Danai Williams is. Drug lord, wanting for drug money.
Man, we work man at East Kingston. Danai Williams, the work man at East Kingston, and when they go for them pay, a big Danai Williams, the man give them. When they work with Danai Williams as the Dan out of East, and man go for them pay, a big Danai, but the man them give them beaten as them pay.
You see, remember say Alfim daughter, you know, she has such a high profile on Twitter and social media. Hello. If my dad did that thief, you see, me keep a very low profile. I wouldn't even be living in Jamaica. And the same people who talk about corruption and how politicians corrupt, them are the same one who are rub shoulder with her too. They know who she is. They know that she is one of them who have benefited from her father's wrongdoings, 28 charges, and he never spent no time in prison. Why? Because he was a big PNP person. Right? There's even videos on YouTube. Anybody can go put in Danai Williams' name and see the interview with him at swimming a pool, and a white reporter was interviewing him too. Housing at the hills, them the lavish life there. Them a live off of the poor backs of poor people and ripping people off. These are the criminals that are associated with the People's Criminal Organization or the People's Propaganda Party. So all she will just come with fair look hype self. You see how quick after the heavy rains, the man look sinkhole what happened down a slowly section. She ready for come call TV, get it on media and just for highlight that look part there. You see how quick she do that? She gonna get a backside, and you see
the area that she's calling the TVJ for. Hold on, Shen, the area she's calling the TVJ to come look on. First thing, the TVJ representative masquerade himself as being a PNP on several occasions. Lord, let's move on. Next thing, the councillor that she's masquerading behind, based on information, credible, he passes that road every day, every night, with that problem before it had escalated to what it became now. And this councillor has never yet, up to recently, when it gets worse and it look bad, in Chaya seek political mileage for first the MP if he go out there. This man is a man we put up some good thing in the community we call signs in a corner where if you negotiate corner. The people them tell we say in the square and them have to give direction to people daily. After the man take parish council money, build sign when nobody now see. Put in a corner, you get overshadowed by one car mart, so you cannot negotiate corner and look up on sign. You will run off a road and go looking at people. This go show the vision where this man have and the people them stupid. In this same area, it has the widest road in Jamaica. That area in Silo has the widest road in Jamaica. It is unmarked. There's no sign, no hazard sign, nothing whatsoever. These are the types of things that people PNP vote for. Nothing. Misrepresentation, underrepresentation. You understand? Myopic representation. Me not like that. You understand me? So if them are going to stay loyal and give in to the JLP agenda, all right, fine. Demand more out of the elected people them. As simple as that. You get me? But you know, sit down and it's because me a PNP, but they got the fuck out. Them think they now help we as a people. Because you not let him go and you not let go them and you still not demand quality representation.
Very well said, bro. Yeah, when he touched Delroy slowly, bro, he touched a bone in me, brother. But we never chip in because you deal with him so articulate.
You know that drunker there? A drunker named call me Deb, but I know that sitting there.
You know, you have my name on the TV, should answer him.
Our man name, sir?
With them a man around, man, black him, you know, want to develop on your platform.
The only problem me have with Delroy slowly, brother, is that he now free up him video them make me download it and post it all over the place. Only thing I can do is repost. That's the only problem I have with him. He need to do better, man.
Probably somebody need to talk to him about that and let him know same video not shareable.
Yeah, probably him get the information say you know shareable, so we can pass it on to him. You know
Yeah, that's the thing. So probably don't know. So somebody who have ears need to share that. But honestly, but hold on, didn't Delroy slowly lose his wife a while back too?
Yeah, man, he had a situation like that where his wife had passed off, but that was like a year and a half ago, or going into 2 years. Yeah, man.
By the way, anybody can. How is Frank Ritter's side? How anybody can drop in on?
Frank look good as ever, man. No watch the destruction of the People's National Party. You know, it's a facade, you know, sister. It's a real facade, you know, because Bonnie is not perfect, but Bonnie is perfect enough, are perfectly lined enough to continue another stint as MP. So with all of the imperfections, they are getting there. Bonnie is a worker. So with all of the imperfection, they are getting there. And I am looking forward, based on personal assessment, that I want to crowd them to see in our part of recently. Bonnie look alright, Flight look alright, JC I go remain alright, and likewise Mr. Slowly. So I don't know who is part Mark Bowling think him I go squeeze through from in a St. Elizabeth, but I can tell him directly. The intention we have if push Jess and Northeast to come take up Slowly. That are going to be, in fact, Slowly going to win by a bigger margin. And we can promise Andrew Holness that. And we can promise Slowly that we are measures that see they go back into Slowly and by a bigger margin.
Amen.
I think I'm in a group. I think one of my groups that I'm in on Facebook. I think sometimes I will see somebody post Slowly work in there. So I've been seeing things, but wasn't so sure about Frank's side. I have one classmate while he round down a Frank side. I have to make sure say me drape him and tell say go give foot to Frank. But I think St. Elizabeth, there's a lot of improvements that are going on in St. Elizabeth now. And I just hope that people will have it well. Like when I say everything look good, but that girl only make sure she not get her backside in down
She
there.
will get the flagging.
Right?
She will get the flagging. And we can send this message to her, Zulika Jess. She can never ever think she go find comfort in a Northeast St. Elizabeth. One more disheartening mission she come on. Because when we don't reload the evidence and facts, the PNP has done nothing for this division. And when we make the people them look back on them, picnic them when they say go to school, go get good education, for excel. Where are those children right now? They have to leave the area because the People's National Party underdeveloped and misrepresent the area so badly that these youths, not even as agricultural, they said, even if we go into agriculture, the youth them not make no sense to here because why? Their endeavors will be defeated because there's not a market active in this area to for them produce go up and sale. You understand me?
Brother,
Me don't
talk
know
about
PNP at all about tourism. Northeast St. Elizabeth have a part down there near Appleton. And there's nowhere in Jamaica. Right, so we are reaching that now. There's actually tourism activity still going on in Appleton Estate. And the People's National Party have never even made an attempt to link Appleton with the community or any of the communities in partnership to even build a craft market, because there are several persons within this space who would have said to me, yo, me creative in the art and then show me them works. And these are the things that tourists love.
Is that closed down? Apple Valley Park.
Where?
Apple Valley Park.
Apple Valley Park. Yes, it's closed down right now. It's not in Northeast, but it's closed down right now.
Oh my God.
And I want to finish. Appleton Estate in Jamaica, regardless of them being private, the councillor could have had a private-public partnership with Appleton and said, listen, look at way if you know so much tourism activity that take place in this terrain, and the people are not benefiting from it in any way, shape, or form. Not even as much as a rafting industry or so. So make people can travel from bamboo, go back to Appleton. Nothing like that, similar to what is happening in Chilani. This area is one of the only areas in Jamaica that sees tourism activity daily, and no community can attest to getting benefits from it, whether directly or indirectly. No benefits now accrue to the people in these communities, seeing that tourism activity so rampant right under them nose. You call that a weak leader representation, call that weak councillor and weak MPs over the years that the PNP have here. Because at the time, they were running this place under the place say, yo, a PNP country this, so anything they do goes. Piss in their head and tell them say a rain a fall. Not even one look bracelet a man can design and go juggle down there. Not even a bracelet, no craft market. We don't expect Appleton to build craft market, but at least the councillor could have seen it fit to come up with the initiative to benefit back his own comrades.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? So me don't know what them things Zulika just go.
When we see without vision, the people will perish, Without vision, the people will perish. And comrades, for the most part, they don't have ambition. So that is why they love the freeness mentality that Manley instilled in them for a very long time.
And can you talk about the flooding that Santa Cruz and other areas usually have when rain fall, and since they're slowly claiming what happened?
So Santa Cruz has always been known for flooding. Why?
Yeah, because Santa Cruz is flat.
Let me specify. The town of Santa Cruz is not uncommon for Santa Cruz town to experience flood.
It's really flat.
Right, and here's why now. There are communities that has drains where water comes out of them communities and traverse to the drains in the town. So sometimes the influx of water where come from, like when you go with part like you go up a states back road there, so the amount of water will come out of the lane there. And what come off of the main come down. And then when you go so now like you come from a police station side, and the amount of water will come down from there, so. And then the amount of water will come from up at the part where juicy beef there. all of it come put itself in the center of the town. So therefore, only come with like trash or so. What it does, it comes with dirt. So it does not reflect, say, the area is being cleaned by Mr. MP slowly. Because sometimes you will clean it and a boom, I want a whole heap of water wash come with beer dirt and block up at the drain. So it appear like say you never do nothing about it, and that's not the case. You understand me? I just the fact say the area it have a propensity for water wash dirt, so therefore it have to constantly clean. But however, definitely Mr. Solly has made flooding in Santa Cruz way lesser, and in fact, where there are floodings, the water subsides very quickly versus before. Courtesy of Mr. Solly.
Amen.
Whenever hear somebody sell their MP like how you sell your MP, now, brother. Not when me not sell my MP, so.
Mr. Bidi will attack when the man out of the right, sorry, but when the man go and get said, answer this man I know this.
Classic.
I say me never hear somebody sell their MP like how you sell your MP. Never. Not when me not sell my MP, so.
Yeah, man.
And it means say I do good. Because if you ain't do good, you'd bash him.
Oh God, man. Oh
Based on
God.
the
I want to
person
stop me,
you as brother, you'd bash him. You're not afraid to bash him.
Yo, this man deserve on the death to move him. Let me tell you why. This man, that's why I can't like Mark Golden. This solely what you see here would have been on the ground as an independent from 2018, giving out assistance to people who he knows will not vote for him.
Yeah,
whether
I've
as
heard that before, you know.
independent.
I've heard that before.
And
They
this
say
man,
help enough
this
people,
man helped
especially
a
within
PNP
business.
family. Now listen to this, good. There was a fire that destroyed a home in St. Elizabeth Northeastern. The persons that were displaced were band comrades. Slowly, had a request made to him. He never cared zero whether or not these people are PNP. The man at the time had to his disposal the luxury to help them. He helped them, and he helped them without intention of them coming back to vote for him. All these are things that Mr. Solly would have done before becoming MP. There was a youth, and like the man energized the youth when it comes to sports. Slowly, before becoming MP, resurrect football across one local section at Northeast. How by? The man allowed for several football competitions to be ongoing at the same time across the Balaclava, Silo, Ilem, and Brace River division. That too would have made the youth realize that no man, things could have really happened for true. And this man was never a politician when he might do them thing here. So that was how the people actually decided, said, no, this man has to get a vote. Little did just know, say, up to the day, yeah. Solely turned PNP in a labor right. Only him alone do that. Like them literally turn labor right because of him and him specifically. So when she come and masquerade like she thinks that people must undermine the works of Solely, where, come on, remember say Solely could get to perform in full work because in a corona time. So after corona, Solely get to really do the whole of the work, or we are sip on TikTok and Facebook and don't know, you know. After corona and how much years ago that? Just barely 3 years ago, that. So the amount of work where this man put in his first stint, yo, you can just imagine the amount of difference this man will have in terms of positive impact with a second stint. People put aside political colors and decide, say, yo, this MP deserves his second stint and he might go get it. And we can promise the JLP government hierarchy, just give this man more support and more resources, and we promise that we are going to cement this place for being a GLP constituency permanently, once and for all.